Hey, I'm at the restaurant where they're using my hot sauce, Kitchen's Gourmet hot sauce. Let's go inside. So, sir, what you think about the sauce?
Man,
how was it?
Loves it.
You love it?
Man, it's got like a unique taste, and then it got a little kick to it, man. Nice.
Good,
real
good.
Nice.
I liked it. It was tasty, just the right flavor.
Really good. It's definitely, Texas Pete is my favorite. You beating them. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's really tangy, and it has a, like you said, a real nice kick to it.
Delicious, and I'm just curious if you have a smaller bottle that I can put in my purse.
As a matter of fact, I do. I'll get that for you right away.